Assalamu alaikum. So today we'll be learning about the Mahaveli Project, which was started as a project after the British left Sri Lanka. So the government that came to Sri Lanka after the British left us, in other words, after the British gave us freedom, worked very hard in order to build up Sri Lanka to the levels that the ancient kings left us. Now I've posted this small presentation in Tamil medium. I hope the Tamil medium students will be able to learn it by reading. It's very simple, and for the others, I'll be explaining. Now, I'd like to share an information. I'm actually very weak in history. I'm just a student, and also I'm not a teacher. And to be honest, I don't even know what the heck these things mean. So let's just have fun. To begin with, let's start. So you know the heading, and the main purpose of this Mahaveli project was agriculture. Now, mm, one of the main economy of Sri Lanka is dependent on this, what do you call it, agriculture. Now to develop this agriculture, the government implemented this project on the basis of Mahaveli Ganga. It's the main and the longest river in Sri Lanka. So this project was based on that. What they did was they made, what do you call that? Yeah, they branched out the rivers and they made large, sorry, not ponds, but dams. They did dams. I'm not going to tell you what are the names of those dams because you can actually read it and get it from the presentation. I'm just going to tell you the main idea of what this project was. Yeah, they built dams, and from those dams, they took the water and spread it to the fields, the agricultural lands. Mainly, they spread it in, the agricultural lands in the rural areas. No, not rural areas. What do you call it? Sorry, not rural areas. The dry zones in Sri Lanka. Like southern province and places like that. Also, these waters were used for other purposes like providing water in dry seasons, etc. etc. Yeah, those are the main things you need to learn to get an idea about this Mahaveli project. And there's another thing which is you need to learn the reservoirs that were built through this project. Those are Victoria, Kotmale, and Ranganigala. The main things you have to know about these are from which branch river they are made from, and where they are made in, and what is the benefit we gain from these reservoirs. And finally, you need to know who sponsored these projects. So, for example, for Victoria Reservoir, the British government provided aids, and for Kotmale, the Sweden government, and for Ranganigala, the West German provided aids. And some other steps that were taken to develop the other advantages came through these, and providing water for agriculture. That's the main purpose. The production of hydroelectricity and another thing is this project provided jobs for many farmers, and it led to the urbanization of many rural areas, because of the economic development, rural areas as well as dry zones, because there will be new settlement, people will settle in those dry zones, and new buildings will be developed, and also roads, and as a result cities will be developed. So yeah, those are the main things, and the others you can just check your book. And the things to memorize, I won't say here. Please memorize your book. That's all. Thank you.